The memory crisis may be averted as a new company is selling 5D glass storage memory crystals that impressively offer data resilience up to 13.8 billion years, which is the lifespan of the universe, and they can cram 365 terabytes of data into a tiny 5-inch glass disc. And by 5-inch glass disc, we're talking about one of these. This is an artist representation of a memory crystal that could probably power a home computer, being as that would be a couple of terabytes in size. Now, the company is called S-Photonics, and I went to their website to try to learn a little bit more about the memory crystal. Yeah, preserve your data for eternity is their offer here. And they have a couple of things on their website that try to help explain how the technology works, but it's built a little bit more for industry people. It's a little bit more complex, so I'm going to go with the article explanation here, which is typically you have 3 spatial coordinates, X, Y, and Z. In the case of something like a CD, it's really just X and Y. It's reading bits, zeros, and ones on and off. But with the memory crystals, we also have a Z for depth, plus the orientation and intensity of the nanostructures, which can all be read differently using different types of polarized light. So we have X, Y, and Z, and a structural dimension and a light polarization dimension that give us 5 total dimensions of memory storage, which would be very impressive, except its prototypes write around about 4 Mbps and read at about 30 Mbps, which isn't particularly impressive. They're going to try to get it up to 500 within a couple of years, and you can see the reason that these things haven't fully rolled out into the real world is it's $30,000 for a writer, $6,000 for a reader, and they're not expected to last more than 18 months. So it's very new, very expensive, very prototype technology. But in the future, your computer's hard drive might look something like this little wafer here between this guy's fingertips.